Oil Twins News, where we're going to get you all the AMSOIL news and we're going to get it to you fast. First up today, Jody and Casey representing the Oil Twins in the 2025 Believe Cancer Poker Run. This event took place in Newberry Springs, California, and is held annually in Breast Cancer Month. This video honors all those who've been affected by breast cancer. A video has been put together and has been posted. I'll put a copy of the link in the description. Next up, AMSOIL has a new app. An AMSOIL app built for guys like us. It lets you snap your license plate, auto-pull your vehicle profile, and reorder oil with one tap. It links My Garage so all your service history stays in one place. No more digging through glove boxes. It'll send reminders when they're due and even show you compatible oil specs. Login is seamless with facial recognition and thumbprint. If you could add one more feature to the app, say miles tracking, fuel economy charts, or voice ordering, what would it be? Drop your idea in the comments section below. AMSOIL's announced a new partnership with Freedom Factory. AMSOIL just teamed up with Cletus McFarland's Freedom Factory. Yep, that wild 3/8 mile drag burnout compound in Florida. AMSOIL now backs the Freedom 500 and all burnout specials. That's not just branding. Every engine will give AMSOIL insight to additive limits, thermal stress, and how much the oil will take before breakdown. They're stress testing in the real world, not just at a lab. What kind of race would you enter at the Freedom Factory? Drag, drift, burnout contest, or full circle track? Tell us where you'd roll in your rig in the comments below. AMSOIL's superior oil filtration. Let's talk about the unsung hero, your oil filter. AMSOIL's EAO and EA15K synthetic filters are rated to trap up to 99% of particles down to 20 microns. That's insanely fine. What that means? Cleaner oil, less wear, longer engine life. Because when your filter struggles, the oil carries the grit straight to your bearings. That kills tolerance, raises friction, eats power. With top-tier AMSOIL filters, you can extend drain intervals without risking any damage. Are you brave enough to run a filter that lasts this long? Or would you stick to your standard 2,000-mile oil change? Let's talk about that timing chain in some engines. The timing chains are critical. They sync the cam and the crank. Modern turbocharged engines, TGDI, create heavy soot that acts like fine sand between the links. AMSOIL's Signature Series passed the sequence engine test to prove it fights that stretch. This means 75% more wear protection than industry standards, 90% better sludge control, and added thermal stability. For owners of EcoBoost, jets, or any modern chain engine, this is peace of mind. Ever heard a rattle at cold start that freaked you out? Tell us about it in the comment section. Let's talk about gear oil compatibility and severe loads. GL4, GL5. More than just codes. These classify how force is distributed inside your gearbox and rear end. GL4 is milder, safe with brass and synchros. GL5 handles aggressive pressure loads and diffs. If you mix them, you might trash parts. AMSOIL Severe Gear Synthetic Gear Lube is engineered for extreme pressures, high temps, and heavy loads. It's even used in wind turbines. If it survives that, your axle's no problem. What's the worst gear failure you've ever seen? Burnt, smell, metal bits, lock up? Share your horror stories in the comments below. Next up, sludge is the engine's secret enemy. Here's the nasty truth. Every cheap oil eventually turns to goo. Hot plus oxygen plus contaminants equals sludge. That junk causes passages, stars bearings, and robs power. AMSOIL synthetic oils are formulated to resist oxidation. Their Signature Series extended lifeline include heavy detergent packages, stronger shear resistance, and better base ox that don't turn into goo. It's like giving your engine internal plumbing that never clogs up. Ever have a sludge cleanup where you found deposits in the catch can or head? Was it worth saving or just a rebuild? Fill your own story in the comment section. This is a recap of AMSOIL's customer magazine. For more information, click the link that's provided in the descriptor. This wraps up the fall 2025 Oil Twins news. From apps to timing chains to engine sludge, we broke past just the jargon into the parts that matter, you. Hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the notification bell.